Hi 8th grade students, this is Mr. Alford and this video will help you with homework number 7, Geometry Review Part 2. Okay, so this will help you with problem 1. It will also help you with problem 6. So problem 1, square FGHJ. That's this, I know it's pretty blurry. This small square in the middle was dilated to form square F prime, G prime, H prime, J prime, the big square. The center of dilation was at the origin. What scale factor was used? So whenever we are doing dilation, it's basically stretching the shape to make it bigger or smaller. When we do dilation, it's by a scale factor. That means we basically take our coordinates and we multiply them by the scale factor. The scale factor is just some number. If that scale factor is less than 1, then your shape is going to get smaller. If your scale factor is exactly 1, then your shape will just stay the same because multiplying by 1 changes nothing. If your shape is bigger than 1, your shape will get bigger. So here we have a shape that's getting bigger. So that means that all the choices here that are with all these scale factors that are less than 1 can't be what we want. So A and B are both wrong. C or D, one of those is the right answer. Remember, scale factor means you take your coordinates and you multiply your original coordinates by that scale factor. Problem 4, I just want to tell you, A and B, just rule them out. I'm not going to say anything more about it. Just A and B are both wrong. All right? Okay. Last thing I want to show you is problem 7, and this is, okay, I'm changing this problem a little bit, so the answer you're going to see at the very end is not the actual answer for problem 7. Again, I'm not changing problem 7. Just to make an example, I am changing the numbers in problem 7 just to show you how to do this type of problem. Again, the answer we get at the very end is not going to be the actual answer to problem 7. This is me just showing you an example of how to solve a problem that's asking you to find the volume of a sphere, because we have a basketball with a diameter of 5 inches, so like a really tiny basketball. If the basketball is fully inflated, about how many cubic inches of air will it hold? So cubic inches, cubic is always our keyword for volume, so we know we're doing volume. This is our formula for the volume of a sphere. V equals 4 over 3 times pi times r cubed. So r is the radius. Well, our diameter in this example is 5. That means the radius is half of that, which means 5. If you do 5 divided by 2 in your calculator, you get 2.5. Cool. So this is 4 over 3 times 3.14 times 0.5 cubed. Alright, so now I'm going to take my calculator and I'm just going to do this multiplication. Why don't I just do it in Google? So let's do calculator. So 4 divided by 3 times 3.14 times 2.5 cubed. So times 3.14 times 2.5 cubed, which is just multiplying by 2.5 3 times. So times 2.5 times 2.5 times 2.5. Okay, so the answer to this volume problem, V equals, just what I would put here, is this number, and then I would write cubic inches. Again, that's not the actual answer to problem 7. It's just an answer to a problem that is like problem 7. That's all the help for this video. Just email me or call me if you have questions. Good luck, guys.